Hello everyone, my name is Steve. Today I want to teach you an idiom. It means the same things will come together. That is, birds of the feather flock together. Birds of the feather flock together. Feather 指的是鸟类的羽毛 ，flock 在这里做动词之用，表群聚的意思。Birds of the feather flock together，字面上的意思就是羽毛相同的鸟类会聚集在一起，也就是我们所谓的物以类聚。Like friends have the same hobby, because have same hobby, so we just become a good friend. Thank you for your listening. Bye bye.